BioFemme Firming Gel. The BioFemme Firming Gel is an ultra-fresh and lightweight organic treatment ideal for all women who lack firmness in the intimate areas, for example after childbirth or after menopause. This unique formula maintains the physiological pH balance of the intimate regions and is to be used immediately after the BioFemme Firming Toner. Just like the skin of the face, the intimate area tissue loses suppleness and firmness with aging or following a pregnancy. This contributes to loose tissue and causes an overall loss in tone of the skin of the intimate areas. Advantage number 1: firming effect. The BioFemme Firming Gel tonifies the skin of the intimate areas that lack firmness, especially following pregnancy or menopause. Its unique formula consists of lifting polysaccharides, tonifying minerals, and pro-collagen boosting arginine, which contribute daily to youthful and firmer intimate tissue. Advantage number 2: softening and moisturizing effect. BioFemme Firming Gel is perfectly suitable for the most sensitive skin. With soothing red algae extracts and moisturizing aloe vera, this formula preserves feminine tissue suppleness and hydration for more comfort. Advantage number 3: refreshing effect. The BioFemme Firming Gel also provides an immediate feeling of freshness that lasts all day. With purifying and toning minerals, this organic gel prevents body odors and ensures the daily well-being of the intimate regions. Results: from the first application, the intimate tissue feels fresher, toner, and more hydrated. Sensations of discomfort dissipate. Over time, feminine intimate regions become firmer and more youthful. For optimal results, it is important to stabilize the vaginal pH between 3.8 and 4.1 prior using BioFemme Firming Gel. How to use it? Apply the BioFemme Firming Gel with the tissue on clean intimate areas. Leave on.